Okay, imagine stepping outside your house. Except your house is the International Space Station, you're 400 kilometers up, and the yard is the entire planet. First question I always get: how do astronauts do a spacewalk when the ISS is ripping around Earth at 17,500 miles per hour? Everything up there is moving together. You, the station, the tools, same orbit, same speed. It feels like floating next to a parked car. The real challenge is microgravity and not drifting away. That's why astronauts clip multiple tethers at all times. They also wear a safer mini jetpack as a backup, tiny thrusters to get back if a tether fails. The EMU is basically a personal spaceship. Inside there's a liquid cooling garment, tubes of water carrying away heat, cooling, oxygen at 4.3 psi, CO2 scrubbers, gold sun visor, PLSS backpack, life support, fans, pumps, scrubbers, telemetry. Outer suit layers protect against micrometeoroids and huge temperature swings. Gloves are the hardest part. Astronauts train hundreds of hours to torque stubborn bolts. Maintenance, swapping batteries, rerouting cables, replacing cameras, upgrading solar arrays like ERASA, experiments, MISSI exposure trays, radiation sensors, Earth-observing instruments, long-duration tech platforms, troubleshooting, find a leak, unstick a mechanism, free a jammed panel. Now the eye candy question: what natural phenomena can you see? Buckle up: auroras, thunderstorm anvils with lightning and red sprites, thin green airglow, city lights like constellations, ocean phytoplankton blooms, desert dunes patterned like fingerprints, sun glint turning seas into mirrors, sunrises every 90 minutes, 16 a day. Can they see stars? Yes. Not when the sun or Earth is bright in your face. In shadow, if you block stray light, stars pop out. During a sunlit spacewalk, visor glare usually washes them out. Safety, plan, practice. Tools are each tethered with taglines and backups. Astronauts translate hand over hand via railings. Canadarm2 positions them like a human crane. Inside the airlock, pre-breathe oxygen to purge nitrogen and avoid the bends. After the job, they do a full-body burr check for debris, repress the airlock, carefully stow everything. Spacewalking is slow, deliberate, unbelievably beautiful. If you loved this peek outside the station, drop a comment with what you'd want to see on an EVA, auroras, lightning storms, or a sunrise sprint. I'm bringing you along for the next one.